In All-on-6 treatment methods, unlike All-on-4, we apply 6 implants. In cases where the bone is sufficient in the posterior region or where single-row advanced lung procedures can be performed in a limited manner. And when you have prepared it, we apply 6 implants, and on top of that, again, the oxygens, we complete our treatment as a fixed prosthesis using intervention systems. The biggest advantage of the treatment. After our patients are seen by the emperor, we usually apply a fixed temporary prosthesis in the same session. And the waiting period is comfortable for our patient, and they spend it using a prosthesis. This provides us with an extremely nice comfort. We wrapped our patient. Using a temporary prosthesis not only provides comfort to them, we, meaning the doctors, ensure that the healing is of extremely high quality and that the measurements taken are detailed to that level. This ensures that the prosthesis is much more effective. After a 3-month waiting period, we complete the treatment with a procedure like zirconium. Again, actually, when I encounter a problem in the future, I refer to the videos from the beginning. In the systems, we can remove the prosthesis without breaking or cutting it, solve the problem, fix it again, and allow our patient to continue using it. It not only provides aesthetically pleasing results for our patient, but also helps them feel good psychologically.